Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Today is sa ngayon, Saturday. Nag-ano lang ako ng video. Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. And I'm having my breakfast. Nag-init ako ng breakfast ko, bread, and then nag-on yung coffee doon. Nag-upload lang ako, guys. Pasensya na ito. Dinala ko yung dito kasi para makakain ako. Nagutom kasi ako, guys. And then, ngayon, trabaho si Tami. So, first night ko kagabi, guys, na ako lang dito mag-isa na yung nawala na si Bianan. Alam nyo ba, kasi alam nyo ba, kagabi, takot ako. Hindi naman takot, parang takot akong takutin niya. Kasi mahilig kasi ako manakot sa kanya. Yung mga ganon ba, yung mga pakalitan si Bianan ba? Yun yung ko sa kanya. Mahilig akong maganon sa kanya, pero ganon. And then, kagabi, takot ako baka gawin niya sa akin. So, every time na magpunta ako sa bedroom dito, yung saan siya natutulog, hold on si Tami.
I have my coffee. I'm a program in the car, and I'm going up there. I'm not going to shower, but I look like hell.
Yeah, you don't have to take a shower. You have shower if you really...
Not shower. Well, I don't like to.
Okay, I'll see you here. Did you pack a lot?
Well, why would I pack the car if I have to go to work? Did I have to unpack it?
I mean, did you put stuff together to bring?
Yeah, I got stuff sitting here on the kitchen floor, on the stairs. We have rice?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, I know you have a bag of rice over there. Just bring it here because
Okay.
I don't have none. And I don't feel like going out because, we have food. We have vegetables I need to cook. We have chicken.
Yeah, the chicken from Hannaford was actually very good.
Hannaford? Which chicken Hannaford? Is that Hannaford or Target?
No, didn't I get a Hannaford?
Is that Hannaford?
That's the only place we stop, right?
No, you went to Target. That's a good one because I see, this is the expensive one you got. This is the $9.
No, it's not. Butter garlic is the expensive one. That's lemon.
Yeah, this is Walmart. And this is lemon pepper flavor. This is $9.
No, it's not $9. But butter garlic is $9. All the rest of them are like $4.99 or something.
Alam nyo, galit na galit ako. Nag-on ako ng camera, palaging memory card error. I'm happy kasi papunta si Tami dito. Yeah. Akala ko kung sino yun, si Hubs wala. Yes, Buggy. Yes, Buggy Bagbag. Yun dun. Alam nyo yan, pinakain ko yan, guys. Ang nangyari, sinuka. Who are you? Ipati yung pagkain ni Dimples, kinain din niya. So, kinain niya lahat. So, naging puno yung tiyan niya. Sinuka na naman niya. Kaya hintayin ko si Tami. Ito yung bulak na dinala namin yung sa funeral home kay Bianan. Look. Ang ganda. Iwan ko kung bakit puti. Ang gusto pa naman ni Bianan is yung mga yellow roses. Yun. Gusto niya yung yellow roses kasi yun yung bigay ng asawa niya palagi. Yellow. Paborito ng ama nila. Paborito din ni Bianan. So, it's already 11:05 and si Tami malapit na siya dito. Well, hindi pa. Mga, I think 1 hour. Madami pa rin snow. Hindi pa nagme-melt. May nakita sila ata mamaya kanina dyan. Kaya doon sila talaga. Sino kaya nakita nila? Diba wala na akong rice? Nakalimutan ko wala na pala akong rice. Kailangan kong bumili. So sabi ko kay Tami, dalhin mo yung rice dito. And ngayon, itapon ko na itong cake. Kasi I think it's bad na. Yan. Itapon ko na yan. And ano ba? Itapon ko na to kasi matagal na to. Coconut nut is a very nut. Andun pa rin sila. Misty, don't even try to jump on the fence. Ong, ong, ong. Kasi naghanap si Misty ng lugar na maaambakan. Hello? What's in there? Icy, huh? Icy, yeah, icy. Roxy, what are you looking in there? Okay, let's go pee this way. Come. Go pee this way. Go. Come running. Maginaw guys, 29 degrees sa labas. Go. Hindi ko kasi na ano yung mga dahon. Nakuha talaga. Okay, go pee. Go pee. Yun, maghintay na lang tayo kay Tame and then I'm going to make a thing for tomorrow's video, a thumbnail. Yun na lang yung gagawin ko. And yes, bagong ligo. Fresh na fresh! Lunchtime na very soon. Hintayin ko lang si Tami guys para mag-lunch kasi I think malapit na yun dito. I think I'm going to let me open the garage nga kasi para hindi siya mahirapan. Open ko nga. Hala, oy. Ano na bang date ngayon? 7. Hala, few days na lang. Mag-Christmas na. Ilang weeks? Ano na lang? 2.5 weeks. Lubat na pala yung cellphone ko. My husband is here. Somebody's crying because Dad is here. Why you have to cry? Why you have to cry? Cry for me, Argentina, mana. Nilabhan ko, guys. Look. 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 An? Come in first. Come in. Come in.
Thank you for kissing, Jess. Thank you for kissing. Okay. Thank you for kissing, Jess. Okay. Okay, we enough kitties now. Hi, cutest bug.
This dog. Happy always to see you. Like, hello. Oh my God, babag. Babag. Always happy to see sa ama nila. Always. Always and forever. Okay. You eat na. You bring the food. Can I touch your paw? Your paw. Do you want treats? I don't give them to acid. You guys have to wait for Dada. Hindi ko binigyan kasi alam ko si Tami, every time nandito siya, meron talaga yung mga extra. Put him down, Han. I don't want you hurt your back now. Eh? Put him down. I saw that. We got that long time ago.
Yeah.
I remember. And
Lightning lights.
yeah, I remember that. Naghakot kasi si Tami ng mga gamit guys sa isang bahay. Yung gamit niya kasi. Naghalungkat kasi siya, yung mga kapatid niya doon, naghalungkat sa isang bahay. And then, nagalit. Oh, this is nice. I wanna use this. Oh, look at that, guys. So nice. Okay, you explain why you got this.
I bought these years ago to keep around to give as a gift. It's like...
Luckily, it's still in there, Han. No one took it.
It's got a little rip in the case.
It's nice, Han. I like it.
It's got a little rip.
If we have China cabinet, we can put this. Look, ang ganda. And there's another one. Oh, this same set.
Same set, one silver, one
Silver and gold. Oh, silver and gold. I like it, Han. I wanna display this in China cabinet or just leave it like this because to keep it, right? Not rusted. Nice, B-boy.
Yeah, I gotta bring it me as well to sign it.
No, that's the thing. That's a different one. That's for to change your beneficiary.
They should both be in there.
Look at it. Open it. Buffalo chicken wings. Masarap ito. Dinner lang. Lunch kami, guys. Masarap ito.
You were just two kids.
Han, you cannot just tell him to do that all the time, Han. Look at that. You are like a chair to him. Sit down and lick his...
He said, I can see what you're eating.
Look. He is like...
I want some of that.
I'll do extra
Give
for
me
you.
some of that. The little chicken.
For you. Look at the
chicken.
No, Bug. This is buffalo wings, Bug.
His tongue's going.
You see him? You see him, man?
Right.
Bubble! Bubble! I'm gonna cook Tommy's hot dog. I don't know why he wants hot
Get it.
dogs.
Quick, get it while Mama's not looking. Oh.
Bag.
Wait till she's not looking. Cut down, guys. Go get. Oh,
Ah.
get it out. Hurry up. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh. I see what she's cooking over there. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm bringing over there.
I took the butter out. Can you put it back? Did you put it in back?
Yeah. Butter. You don't like butter. Are you kidding me?
Not put it, boy.
You like reaching for it.
Yeah. No. Butter. Oh, that. Butter bag.
Get a butter bag. Get a butter bag. Get a butter bag.
Ito kasi si Tommy. Iwan ko. Mahilig sila sa mga hot dogs. Sila. Iwan ko. Mahilig sila sa hot dogs. Tayo. Mahilig tayo sa hot dogs. Pero masarap yung hot dogs natin. Juicy. Tender juicy hot dogs. Over here is 5-foot long hot dog. Sobrang taas ang hotdog nila dito. Talaga namang mataas yung hotdog. Iwan ko na lang kung mayroong maliit. Sobra naman taas. What are you giving him? Oh. No, it doesn't work.
If it works, it sounds. But I don't know where that is.
It's, you have to turn it on in the side, oh.
It is on.
No, don't touch it, Han.
Yeah.
That's Tommy's thing, guys. Collecting different shit. Dalawa yan. Ito na yung hotdog na boy. Can you find your thing over there? Maybe you have bread still. I don't know if you have a bread. We use regular bread. Lunch namin, guys. It hot. There's a lot of Christmas movie, guys. Ooh, this is really good, hon. You don't even try this.
Well, I got it for you.
So good, hon. Sarap ng buffalo wing. Nagyaya si Tommy lalabas. Nagyayang lumabas si Tommy, so ano lang kami, magpunta sa Home Depot lang kami para bibili ng box para sa electrical box para sa screen, kasi para sa Christmas okay na yung screen dito sa taas, pwede na manood ng movie while yung family gathering, ganyan. Yung lipstick, guys, kinain ko. Nag-lunch kasi kami. Yung lipstick kinain ko. Yung lipstick na gustong-gusto ko din. Wet n Wild. Yung sa Wet n Wild, dalawa yung gusto ko. Give Me Mocha and then Nice to Fuchsia. Nice to Fuchsia. Kapag wala kasi akong lipstick, ang pangit ng lips ko. Parang noon yung lips ko, kahit hindi ako nagli-lipstick, pink na pink. Totoo pala talaga yung sinasabi nila na pag palagi ka nang nagli-lipstick and then yung lips mo is magba-brown siya, parang masira yung lips mo dahil sa lagay ng lipstick and nasira yung original na mo yung lips. Kasi yung mga bata kasi na yung bata pa tayo, hindi yung yung lips natin may pagka-pinkish kahit hindi tayo magli-lipstick. Yun yung lips ko noon. Naghakot si Tommy ng mga gamit. Marami kasi yung dinalang gamit galing sa isang bahay. And ngayon, nilagay niya sa basement. Iwan ko kung ano yung mga dinadala niya, pero nilagay niya sa basement. Hanap tayo ng what is the temperature? Maginaw. Maginaw yung temperature. Ito na lang. Itong pink. Hindi ko to palaging sinusuot. Parang iba yung feeling ko today, guys. Parang sobrang depressed. Parang hindi okay ba? What, baby?
Okay, guys, wait for us to come back.
Do you know what you're getting? We're buying?
Yes.
What size?
Size or boxes?
Dito na kami, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung hinahanap niya, pero yeah. Oh, dito kami bumili. Wow. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko, oh. Mga ganito. The floor. I like that. Look. Huh? Tommy is not even looking. So guys, naghanap si Tommy ng explain what you're looking for.
So this one's, but I need one 20. This is 15.
How do you know if it's you just press the wire?
You see the holes.
Where is the holes area?
Check it when I find a 20, but
How about this? Yeah, how about this? 20 amps.
no, but this one's not.
No? He got back, guys. He went to Pit Smart to get some cat grass, and he feel bad for his little boy. His little boy is fine and happy with nothing. Han, what is this? What the heck? Let me see. Let me try to get it myself.
Oh.
Oh, I don't have a nails.
Okay.
You got it? Hala, I saw that. Oh, let me see.
It's metal on. Don't get it in your finger.
Turn it outside. He got splinter.
It's a metal. Oh, man, no catnip.
Han, your little boy is happy as heck.
You love catnip.
I know, but if they don't have if there's no catnip, nothing.
They have little scraggly ones.
I know.
I got him a big one and he eats it right away.
I know he loves catnips like crazy, but if for some reason catnips are not really popular compared to the regular grass fur. But he liked the grass too, Han. The grass,
Dimples loves the grass. Loves catnip.
Yeah, that's why he's addict, you know. That's why he is an addict boy. He attacked his sister for no reason.
Actually, in that form, it's probably not. Probably has to be dried.
Hmm?
Probably has to be dried. I don't know if it has the same effect when it's alive.